Alright guys, on this particular video guys, I'm going to be telling you guys about the Solstice airdrop on Solana blockchain. So if you actually participated on the Solstice airdrop and you actually accumulated some flays on the season 1, you can see over here on my own account, I actually got about 9,472 flays on the season 1. The season 2 is already up and running, and currently before you actually get to claim the season 1, then you need to actually register for the airdrop. All right, so the registration for you to be able to claim the airdrop is going to be ending in 4 days. That is on the 24th of April 2026. All right, so without wasting time guys, I'm going to be showing you if it's actually worth registering for, because this registration actually costs about $7 or $6 or thereabouts. So before you actually go ahead to register and spend your money on that, let me show you how you can be able to find out if it's worth registering for, if you are going to be getting something equal to your money or more than your money. All right, so without wasting time guys, currently I'm on the Solstice dashboard right here. This is my own dashboard, and if you want to check out the amount of flays you earn on the season 1, simply go to the dashboard like this. Then you can click on this trail line, then you come over here that we have earn flay. Okay, once you get to click over there that we have earn flay, you are going to be seeing your total amount of flays. But if you click over here on my flay right here on the first page of the dashboard, you can see your season 1 flay. We are talking about the season 1 airdrop because currently the season 1 has ended and it's almost time for us to claim. So right now guys, you can see I've got about 9,472 flays right here. You can check yours to see the amount of flays that you have. So let me quickly show you how you can be able to check if it's actually worth claiming. So right now I will go to this particular website. Okay, first of all, you come over here to this website. This is actually the website where you need to register to claim the airdrop. If you do not register until the deadline ends, okay, sorry, you can see the deadline right here is 21st, not on 24th. I made a mistake, not actually on the 24th. Let me quickly check out something. I think they actually made a new announcement right here. Okay, so this was the announcement which they made 3 days ago, and they said the flay season 1 registration is extended to 24th April, meaning that I was correct in the first place. So the registration is going to be on until the 24th of this month. Okay, so over here, to be able to check if you actually qualified for the airdrop or to check the where you actually fell on, first of all you need to connect your wallet. Now, what wallet are you connecting? The wallet that you use to first participate on the airdrop. Simply click on connect wallet like this. Okay, so right now I've just connected my wallet. You can see it has updated, and you can see over here that you can see the date for the claim has also updated on my own dashboard. So right now we need to click on next. All right, so clicking on next right now, you can see we have the cohorts right here. We have the percentage of SLX and users. So let me now explain this so that you get to understand it. It means that the first the people that fell on the first cohort are a total of 11 persons, and they are going to be sharing 3.16% of the total allocation for the airdrop, and that's how it kept on going until the 6th cohort, which is where I personally fell on. And over here you can see that on this 6th cohort right here, you can see that only 0.49% of the total allocation for the airdrop is going to be shared to about 1.4 million persons. Now let's find out if it's worth registration. Now when I scroll down a little bit right now, you can see that the claim fee is going to be 0.075 Solana token, and of course 1 Solana coin is 0.075 Solana coin is equivalent to about $6 or $7. Now for you to be able to find out if it's worth paying for, if you need to pay for this because you are going to be claiming the airdrop. Now let me show you how you can be able to find out. Simply go to this website right now. Let me show you real quick. Okay, simply go to this particular website. The link to all these websites are going to be right there on the video description box. So over here on this website, you can see they said right here, see whether your flay allocation is worth the $7 registration fee everyone's complaining about. So let's just find out if personally, for example, myself, if I need to go ahead and pay that $7, okay, now I will simply put in the total flay that I've got, which is 9.472. This is my total allocation. You should go ahead and put your total number of flays right here to find out if it's worth paying for, if the registration fee is worth paying for. So right now, once I've put my own number of flays right there, I will scroll down, then I will click on calculate my flay. Okay, now when you click on calculate my flay, let's see what we're going to have right now. Okay, now once you click on calculate my flay, you can see we have this thing. Allocation value is $0.25. Now you can see right now that, for example, myself, I don't need to spend about $7 registration fee for the airdrop when I'm going to be getting $0.25. It doesn't worth it. All right, so go ahead right now and calculate your own to see if it's worth paying for. For example, right now, if I'm going to be getting about $10, for example, if my allocation after the calculation is maybe $10 or maybe $20 or thereabouts, provided it is above the registration fee, which is $7, then I can go ahead to pay so that I can be able to claim the airdrop. All right, so but now that it's not worth it, now that I've seen that my allocation is equivalent to 0.25, it means that it's not worth paying for. It means you have to stay away from paying for the airdrop registration. All right, so basically you can see over here they said not worth it, you can lose so amount of money. So go ahead right now and do your calculation. Remember, all the links are going to be right there on the video description box. You can check it out yourself and find out if it's worth paying for. All right, so this is the update about the Solflay airdrop. So if you participated on the Solflay airdrop, you can use this same method that I took right now to actually find out if it's worth paying for. So right now, let me take you to the Twitter page. Let's see if there's any new updates right here. Okay, like I told you guys on my Telegram, there's something fishy about this particular airdrop, because you can see they actually turned off their comment section, meaning that whenever they made their post on X, people won't be able to comment on it. Now let's check out what people actually said right here. This was their last update, I guess about 3 hours ago. You can see they said Flay Season 2 is live, new mechanic to support commitment and retention, not farming. Okay, let's see what people actually said right here, if they allowed people. Okay, now before they actually turned off the comment section, people say some things right here which include wait, so can I rotate my YT position fund into something else, or my TVL won't drop? I didn't understand that. Season 1 needs to cook for there to be season 2. Definitely season 1 is not cooking. Season 1 is only going to be cooking for very little number of persons. So this gets you $5 fee for season 1 registration. Insane. That's truly insane. Looking good. Time for season 2. Maybe you actually fell on the beta, or you fell on the beta cohorts maybe. Actually, okay, you can see people are actually very, very excited about the season 2. But I believe these people right here are probably the people who actually fell on a beta cohort. But if you actually fell on cohort 6, okay, if you fell on cohort 6 right here, then registering for the airdrop is not worth it, if you ask me. All right, so I'm going to be stopping the updates right here. So thank you for watching the video, guys, and I'll be speaking to you on the next update that I'll be dropping very, very soon.